face there, mister. Morning everybody. This is Beau, little black Beau. Rescued Beau in about 2012 when he was 25 years old then. Brought him home here. He was castrated, he was a stallion then. He'd been on his own most of his life with Addie, another horse. One of the remarkable things about this bloke is his crest here. No one can see this, but look at this. That's his mane. This here is his crest. From this way. This is all crest. I give him a rub under here now. Must have been years since he'd had a rub here. I give the crest a bit of a rub. I reckon it must weigh about 15 kilos now. You can see it. That's all crest. I'll do his feet now. He's got terrible feet. Let's have a look. Okay, let's have a look at his feet now. Not the prettiest in the world, are they, mister? And he's very cautious still, the lad. Look at this ugly one down here. Very ugly. So, I'll have a look at underneath some in a moment. What are you doing, mister? You're looking at the camera. Yeah. Let's have a look at these backends. Backend's not real good either, look. But let's have a look under this front one here, if you'll let me pick it up. Come here, mister. Guess a look. That's a boy. He very doesn't like to pick it up. Come on, pick it up. That's a boy. Look at that. Bit nasty. So, I'll get into that, clean it up, and then we'll see what it's like when I'm finished. Picking it up, gee. I just might use this, I think. Get in there, get in there. Everybody see that? Very apprehensive. Let's have a look at this one, little man. Look at that for the ugly. Bit of frog off, get rid of the camel toe. They tend to get a lot of heel. You can see how much heel's there. These little fellas, take the heel off. That's a good one. Now we'll try this one. So look, that's a boy. Same scenario here. Same scenario here. I don't know if you can see how much heel's there. Quite a bit. Steady now, mister. It's almost like they're walking on stiletto heels. There you go. Just look here. Just want to pick it up. Now you can see the height of those heels. They're only tiny. A lot of separation on the toe, as you can see. And if you can see that separation there. Get in here. Put up here. Good boy. Wonder back there. Good one. Good here. Thank you, my friend. So, this little tacker, when he was rescued, was supposedly 25 years old. That would make him 34 now, 33. Anyway, goodbye, Beau. Catch you later, mate.